Hi everybody, welcome to Gen X Jumps. My name's Maria and I'm going to be taking you through a beginner workout using these ropeless ropes from Cross Ropes. So if you've never tried these before and you want to check them out, go to our bio, you can find them there. So I'm going to start with a warm-up and get right to it. So we're just going to start with a deep breath in and exhale, and deep breath in and exhale. Yeah, so we're doing workouts to appeal to the Gen X generation. So anywhere between, your 40s, 50s, and even into your 60s, you can definitely do these workouts. So I like to warm up a little bit beforehand, stretch here, roll those shoulders back, and alternating, rolling forward. Good, I'm going to stretch out my quads here. Oh, I'm not holding on to anything. If you need to hold on to something, you can grab a chair. That's always a good idea. I definitely want to warm up just a little bit before we start. Yeah, so this is my first video, so please be patient. Again, we're going to be sharing a workout video every week, lots of shorts, and I think you'll really enjoy my instruction and my partner's instruction. So, without further ado, let's begin jumping.
Get ready. Jump rope regular bounce.
All right, so we're going to do a regular bounce. Ropes are circling forward.
Regular bounce.
Just like with a jump rope. Only you don't have the rope, you're using these ropeless. So there's no fear in tripping. You can take it as high impact as you want, or as low impact as you want.
Rest. Up next.
All right.
Hip thrusts.
So now we're going to go onto the floor. We're going to do some hip thrusts for about 30 seconds. Bring your hips up nice and high.
Hip thrusts.
And you're just going to bring your knees in and out, down and close, open and close. Keep your heels planted. You're working your inner thighs and your hamstrings here. Good. A few more seconds.
Rest. Up next. Boxer skip.
All right, now we're going to do another skipping combination. This one's called the boxer skip. I'm going to circle my ropeless ropes forward for this one. For 20 seconds, okay? We're doing a double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single. That's the foot pattern. Double, double, single, single. Good. Double, double, single, single.
Next. Leg lift.
Now we're going to do a leg lift. A couple different ways you can do this. I want you to lift your hips. Leg is pointed. We're going to do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. This is the easier version. You can keep your bottom down. Point the toe here, or you can flex the toe. You're working your quads.
Rest. Up next. Rope tassel double kick twist.
All right, this one's kind of cute. It's like a little dance movement I like to do. We're going to circle back now with the ropes.
Rope tassel double hip twist.
Double hip twist. Double hip twist. Yeah, this is kind of cute. You can walk with this one forward or back with a double hip and twisting to the corner, 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 corner. Yeah.
Up next, comfy side leg raise.
Okay, we're going back down, so you guys got to get used to going up and down for these types of workouts. So we're doing, again, full body with emphasis on the legs for this particular workout.
Comfy side leg raise.
I've got my toe pointed to the ground. And you're going to feel this right here in the hip and your butt muscles. And you can do the same thing on the other side. Try to align your shoulder, heel, or I'm sorry, your shoulder, hips, and knee for this one.
Rest. Back to the top.
All right, we're just going to repeat the same pattern with the jumping and back down, back up for a different style of a jump, back down, different style on the floor, and back up, different style jump. Again, this is a full body workout with emphasis on the legs. If you have any comments or questions, please contact us in our on our YouTube channel. And definitely like and subscribe and share our videos. If you would, we would be grateful. All right, we got a few more seconds here. You can always just shake it out, getting ready for the next move. All right.
Regular bounce.
Regular bounce, we're circling forward for 20 seconds. No worries about the rope because it's ropeless, so you don't have to worry about tripping.
Rest. Up next, hip thrusts.
Okay, back down onto the floor. You know, getting up and down off the floor can be a little harder when you're getting older in life. So I'd practice that now while you're still
Hip thrusts.
young. All right, so close, open as you go down. Squeeze, squeeze. This is inner thighs and your butt. Keep your heels planted. And engage your core. I've got my abdomen, you know, my muscles are kind of always flexed when I'm doing any kind of workout.
Rest. Up next, boxer skip.
All right, back up. You'll get used to getting up and down. If you need a chair, keep a chair by your side. All right, we're gonna do the boxer skip. We're circling forward. This is the double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single. Double, double, single, single. You can always get your knees higher for this if you want a little bit more intensity.
Rest. Up next, leg lifts.
Okay, the leg lifts. I'm gonna keep my bottom down for this one. Point the toe.
Leg lifts.
I'm gonna do 8, 7, 6. Quads. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Other side. This time I'm gonna go into the bridge. I'm gonna flex. Flex this time. Still working the quads. Hips are high.
Rest. Up next, rope tassel double hip twist.
Rope tassel. This one's really cute. You can do one at a time if you want. One at a time. Or both.
Rope tassel double hip twist.
Circling backwards. Double, 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 double. Walk with it. and back. 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2. I'm just going up onto my toes with a real fast alternating, standing and shaking. All right, back down onto the ground. Align your shoulder, hip, knees, toes down.
Side leg raise.
And just raise that leg. I did 8 here, I think. I'm just going to switch to the other side. Good.
Rest. Back to the top.
All right, we're back to the top. Got my water. You should bring water out with you when you're working out. Or some electrolytes, whatever you want. But be patient with us. You know, we're first starting out here, trying to figure out the technology part of all this.
Regular
But
bounce.
we'll get it down in no time. So we're regular bouncing with the ropeless. You can low impact it or a little bit higher impact. It's up to you. We're only jumping for 20 seconds. That's not very long. All right.
Up next. Hip thrusts.
Back to those hip thrusts. Hip thrust. Up. Squeeze coming up. Open coming down. Squeeze. Squeeze. Keep your heels planted. Abdomen's engaged. Nice. Feel it in your butt. No flat butt. Right? As we age, our butts tend to flatten out a bit. But not if you do these exercises.
Rest. Up next. Boxer skip.
All right, back to the boxer skip. This one's fun. I love this one. Circling forward. Double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double, single, single. Arms are straight. That's a little bit challenging to straighten the arms. Double, double, single, single. Yeah, try different arm positions for these.
Rest. Up next. Leg lift.
That's interesting. Back to the leg lift. Point the toe or flex the heel. We're working the quads.
Leg lifts.
We do 8. Here's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. I'm going to do the more advanced one. I'm going to point my toe this time and keep my hips high. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rest. Up next. Rope tassel double hip twist.
All right, back to the rope tassel with the double hip twist. Circling back. So, I'm a dancer.
Tassel double hip
I've been a dancer my whole life. So I'm going to be incorporating some dance moves with using the ropeless. So look forward to that. You will be impressed. Yeah, these are fun.
Rest. Up next. Comfy side leg raise.
Comfy side leg raise. Some people call this the Jane Fonda. Shoulders, hip, knee are aligned, toes down.
Comfy side leg raise.
Yeah. You can do these watching TV, right? All of this stuff you can do when you're just at home, screwing around. I think I was supposed to switch. I lose track of counting. Burning calories is the name of the game.
Next, floor cool down.
All right. Well, that went by quick. I was ready to do more. All right, so while we're down on the floor, we're just going to cool down a bit. How about, you know, I like this move here. This is kind of interesting to get a little stretch in your quads. That's hard. Be careful not to go too far back. Just a slight stretch. I like that. Hey, while we're here on the hands and knees, arch the back. The cat-cow. These feel so good. Cat-cow. I love it. All right, well, you can continue cooling down, but I just like to say adios, and can't wait to see you in the next video. Ciao!